In this video, we will cover the pick and ship function in Axacute. There are several methods to ship an item to a customer in Axacute. One of them is the pick and ship function. This feature allows you to perform picking and shipping of a customer order in a single transaction. It comes in handy when the item to be shipped can be shipped directly without the need to be moved to a packing location. Or you are not too particular on the item allocation rules and would like to ship out the item immediately. To perform a pick and ship, at the homepage, click on the Outgoing button. Select Pick and Ship. At the Pick and Ship page, select the warehouse to perform the shipping. Click on the Search button to select the customer order to ship. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all open customer order lines. You can then proceed to select the corresponding line to ship. In the shipping page, first, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the outbound shipping location and the lot number barcode on the item label. If the item is packed in carton, you can update the unit of measure and enter the carton quantity. However, this can only be done if you have a unit of measure conversion set up earlier in Axacute. Click on the Process button to ship the item. If the shipping is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have shipped. Thank you for watching this video.